Bella is the newest engine on the Skarloey Railway. She's from America, so there was an adjustment period. She was fitted with chain couplings to better work with the rolling stock on the British Railway. She didn't mind, and neither did anyone else, but she did make mistakes. Hey, watch it, girlie!
Oh, sorry.
Bella, are you upset about something?
Oh, not at all. Sorry, I still haven't gotten used to not having knuckle couplings.
What are knuckle couplings?
They're really called Janny couplings. They got the nickname knuckle couplings because they kind of look like human knuckles.
Oh, cool.
It would allow us to run up to freight cars, and most of the time, the couplings would just snap on. So it was common for us in the US to run up a little harder on the cars. Guess Duke was a little right in that regard.
Peter Sam loved to listen to Bella's stories about America. America sounds very cool.
It can be. Anyways, I've been trying my best to slow down with the cars.
Yeah, for the best. These trucks are very troublesome. They're how I got this weird funnel.
I like your funnel. It's unique. Never seen a flat funnel like that before.
Peter Sam blushed. Thanks. Unfortunately, the trucks weren't enjoying the company of the American engine as much as Peter Sam. They got tired of being bumped about. She's worse than Sir Handel, they said to each other. They decided to teach her a lesson, but they waited. They wanted to make sure it lasted. The weather was seemingly plotting with them as rain clouds began to blanket the sky. The trucks decided now was the time. One afternoon, Bella came into the yards where her train sat.
Where to?
Lakeside, lass.
Okay, all I need is the caboose.
The what?
The brake van.
Right. We don't have any brake vans, but we have a kind volunteer as your backing engine. Hi, Bella.
Oh, hey, Peter Sam.
Shall we get going?
We shall.
The two whistled out of the yards. The trucks waited until they got to the steepest part of the line. This is gonna be good! Calm down, it isn't time yet. Peter Sam felt the overexcited jerking of the truck. He knew something was up. They started going downhill. Peter Sam turned on his landing gear and lightly applied his brakes. Then it happened.
What's going on? Stop!
The trucks thrusted forward and forced Bella down the hill. Bella, apply your brakes!
They're not working.
They thundered down the line, the wet rails gliding them along. Slam harder on your brakes!
Okay.
A sharp bend came ahead.
Ah!
As if a miracle had struck, the train gradually began to slow down. The bend came quickly though, and before anyone knew it, Bella was already off the rails and in the field. Once the mess was cleared, it was determined that Peter Sam's brakes had locked on, and Bella's underside was badly damaged. The two of them were shunted into the work shed. Finally, Bella spoke up.
Thank you, Peter Sam.
For what? You still came off the rails.
I imagine that the crash would have been a lot worse if you weren't there to stop me. I'm glad you were there to help.
Bella gave Peter Sam a warm smile. Peter Sam returned it. The two sat at the Covens Gate work shed together, talking while the men worked on it.